Good morning, students. Welcome again here in this video tutorial. Before going to explain the chapter, student, first of all, I would like to tell you some COVID-19 appropriate behavior which you have to follow every day and help keep COVID-19 away. Okay, beta? You have to wear mask properly. Okay? It is mandatory and it is compulsory to all of you. You have to wear mask properly. Wash your hand at least 20 seconds frequently with soap and water. Stay at least 6 feet from others. How many feet from others you have to stay? Stay at least 6 feet from others. Do not touch your eyes, nose, and lips. Then do not share your water bottle and food with others. Student, this is your activity also of this chapter, which I am going to explain our culture and heritage. As all of you know that in our country, India, different religions people live together here with love. And some Hindus, some Muslims, some Christians, some Isai, all of community live here with lots of love. Student, you have to write down the heading my culture, and in this activity you have to tell you something more about you, so about myself and my family. You have to tell me about language. Okay, so subheading also here you have to write language my family and speak I speak. You have to tell you language, either वो one भी हो सकती है, two भी हो सकती है. Then my favorite food to eat. What's your favorite food? Tell me. Okay. Then क्लोथ्स इन माई कल्चर. आपके कल्चर में कौन से क्लोथ्स हैं जो वॉन किए जाते हैं? फेस्टिवल्स, आपके जो रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल्स हैं वो कौन से हैं? यस, फेस्टिवल्स इन माई कल्चर. यू हैव टू, यस, यू हैव टू do this activity and you can take help of your elders also. You have to tell me your language, your basic language, your favorite food. You have to tell me clothes worn in your culture, festival, religious festival in your culture. Then some other interesting facts also. अगर आप मुझे और कुछ interesting facts बताना चाहते हैं अपने culture के बारे में, you have to do this activity beta, and then you will click picture and then send it to me WhatsApp. Okay, in that class WhatsApp group. This is your activity and it is compulsory for all of you. I will give marks also in exam. Okay, extra activities according to this I will give marks. So students, today I am going to explain new chapter, chapter number 17. Which chapter? Chapter number 17 are culture and heritage. In this lesson, we will learn about the culture and heritage of India, our languages and clothes, our dance and music, our paintings and architecture, and our festivals also. Student, before going to start the chapter, just look at here. Two words come here, culture and heritage. First of all, I would like to tell you the meaning of culture and the meaning of heritage. What do you understand by culture? आपका क्या होता है culture? You know, customs, art, music, traditions, and dance. Which things? Just listen here very carefully. Customs, art, music, tradition, and dance, followed by a group of people, is known as culture. कोई भी ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल है, कोई भी सोसाइटी है, अगर वो एक पर्टिकुलर कस्टम को, आर्ट को, म्यूजिक को, ट्रेडिशंस को एंड डांस को फॉलो करती है, देन इट इज नोन एज कल्चर. Next one is heritage. Heritage means, or you can say that heritage is inheritance. What? Heritage is inheritance. And passed down to us from earlier generation. जो हमारे पास आया है पहले की जनरेशन से, then it is known as heritage. Or you can say that in simple words also, beta, practices handed down to us from the past. जो भी practices handed down हुई है हमारे पास from where? From the past is known as heritage. इंडिया इज एन एशियंट लैंड. इंडिया आपका क्या है? एक प्राचीन, यस, एशियंट मीन्स प्राचीन, एक बहुत प्राचीन लैंड है. एंड over the centuries, people from different lands have chosen to make India their home. Yes, which? Yes, people from different lands have chosen to make what? To make India their home. They brought with them their customs and tradition. जब आपके दूसरे लैंड से, अदर जगह से पीपल आए हमारी इंडिया में, तो वो अपने साथ उन्होंने क्या कैरी किया? उन्होंने अपने साथ अपना कस्टम और अपना ट्रेडिशन कैरी किया. Over time, these mixed with the local tradition of India. टाइम टू टाइम अब जो उनका ट्रेडिशन था वो हमारे जो इंडिया के लोकल ट्रेडिशन है उसके साथ क्या हो गया? आपका मिक्स हो गया. एंड यू नो व्हाट बेटा, as a result of this intermixing of culture today, yes, now at present I am saying about at present India. Yes, today India has a rich and unique culture and heritage. Yes, India has a rich and unique culture and heritage. So now let's come here. Let's learn some more about our country, India. Or you can say that let's learn about our India culture and heritage. Our country. Which country? Our country, India. And culture and heritage of India. Students, our topic is our languages. Which topic? Our languages. Almost every state has its own language. First of all, tell me one thing, beta. Even I have already explained in my previous, or you can say that third, fourth chapter also. How many states are there in India? Tell me. Yes, there are 28 states in India. How many states? There are 28 states in India. And you know what? Almost every state has its own language. आपकी जो 28 states हैं उसमें हर states की अपनी एक अलग language है जो particular बोली जाती है. Then as of May 2008, as of May 2008, there are 22. How many? There are 22 officially recognized or scheduled language in India. So how many? Yes, there are 22 officially recognized or scheduled language in India by constitution. Okay, beta? These are Assamese. Which one? Yes, 22 official language recognized or scheduled by constitution. Okay, beta? The number one is Assamese. Number two, Bangla. Which one? Bangla. Then Bodo. Which one? Bodo. Then Dogri. Which one? Dogri. Then Gujarati. Which one? Gujarati. Then Hindi. Which one? Hindi. Then Kannada. Which one? Kannada. Then Kashmiri. Which one? Kashmiri. Then Konkani. Which one? Konkani. Then Maithili. Which one? Maithili. Then Malayalam. Which one? Malayalam. Then number 12, Manipuri. Which one? Manipuri. Then Number 13, Marathi. Which one? Marathi. Then number 14, Nepali. Which one? Nepali. Then number 15, Odia. Which one? Odia. Then number 16, Punjabi. Which one? Punjabi. Then number 17, Sanskrit. Which one? Sanskrit. Then Santhali. Which one? Santhali. Then number 19, Sindhi. Which one? Number 19, Sindhi. Then number 20, Tamil. Which language? Yes, number 20, Tamil. Then number 21, Telugu. Which one? Telugu. And number 2, Urdu. Which one? Urdu. So these are how many languages? 22 officially recognized or scheduled languages in India. Hindi is understood and spoken by the largest number of people in our country. You know, beta, which language is understood and spoken by the largest number of people? Yes, हिंदी. आपकी जो हिंदी लैंग्वेज है वो ईजली आपका एक लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ पीपल आपकी ईजली उस लैंग्वेज को अंडरस्टूड करते हैं, समझते हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा जो आपकी लैंग्वेज बोली जाती है वो आपकी कौन सी है? हिंदी. सो दैट्स वाई देयरफॉर हिंदी was chosen as the official language of the government of India. Yes, आपकी जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया है उसने आपकी फर्स्ट ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज क्या चूज की है आपकी? विच इज द फर्स्ट ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज ऑफ आवर कंट्री इंडिया? यस, हिंदी इज द फर्स्ट ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज. विच लैंग्वेज? हिंदी इज द फर्स्ट ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज chosen, yes, of the government of India. Then after it, after Hindi, which one? English. After Hindi, which one? English was chosen as the second official language of the Indian government. Which language was chosen as the second official language of the Indian government? English. Okay beta, got it? हिंदी आपकी जो हो गई आपकी फर्स्ट ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज. एंड व्हाट अबाउट सेकंड ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज? इंग्लिश. Our language may be spoken in different ways in different parts of the country. आपको पता है हमारी जो लैंग्वेज है जो आपकी बोली जाती है उसके काफ़ी वेज हैं. यस, डिफरेंट वेज इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हिंदी इज स्पोकन इन सेवरल वेज. यू नो, हिंदी भी आपकी एक ऐसी लैंग्वेज है जिसको बोली जाती है काफ़ी सेवरल वेज में. This is also important. One words come here, dialects. Which word? Dialects. Different forms of the same language. What? Different forms of the same language. अगर हम एक सेम लैंग्वेज को अलग अलग वे में, अलग अलग फॉर्म में आपके उसको स्पोक करें तो what it known as dialects. Okay? So, different forms of the same language are known as dialect. Each language has its own style of writing. आपको पता है हर लैंग्वेज की अपनी स्टाइल है और हर लैंग्वेज की अपनी एक क्वालिटी है. You can say that. So, each language has its own style of writing known as the script. What it known? It known as the script. So, what do you understand by script? Each language has its own style of writing. कोई भी जो आपकी लैंग्वेज है उसकी एक अपनी जो स्टाइल है, स्टाइल ऑफ राइटिंग है, इट्स नोन एज द स्क्रिप्ट. Most languages are written from left to right. Okay? आपकी काफ़ी जो लैंग्वेज है वो अब as you can see the example of this one also. ये आपकी लेफ्ट टू राइट है. यहाँ से आपके लेफ्ट से स्टार्ट हो रही है. वन लैंग्वेज में बी स्पोकन इन डिफरेंट वेज एंड डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री. कहाँ खत्म हो रही है आपकी? लेफ्ट टू राइट. फ्रॉम वेयर? यस, मोस्ट लैंग्वेज आपकी कहाँ से स्टार्ट है. Yes, from left to right. But what about Urdu, Sindhi, and Kashmiri? Which three languages? Yes, Urdu. Which language? Urdu, Sindhi, and Kashmiri. So, however, Urdu, Sindhi, and Kashmiri are written from right to left. ये आपकी कहाँ से लिखी जाती है? ये आपकी yes, right to left. Which language? Urdu, Sindhi, and Kashmiri. These three languages are written from right. ये आपकी right side से इस तरह से start होती है और आपकी कहाँ तक? Right to left. Now student, let's come here. Our next topic is our clothes. You have also seen that different states in our country have different traditional clothes for men and women. So, all of you know that different states, अलग अलग states में जो हमारी country है वहाँ के जो people हैं उनके different क्या है? Traditional clothes हैं. We have already studied this thing in our previous chapters also. हमने previous chapter में भी पढ़ा है कि जो different states हैं हमारी country में वहाँ different क्या है? Traditional clothes हैं. For women, yes, for women, the sari is the most popular. अगर हम women की बात करें, which is the most popular? Sari. Which is the most popular traditional cloth for women? Yes, sari. But you know what, beta? The style of wearing the sari, आपकी जो साड़ी पहनने की स्टाइल है वो आपकी डिफर फ्रॉम स्टेट टू स्टेट. अलग अलग स्टेट में वो आपकी साड़ी पहनने की जो स्टाइल है वो डिफरेंट हो सकती है. सलवार कमीज. विच वन? सलवार कमीज इज another popular attire worn by women throughout India. आपने मोस्टली अपनी मदर को देखा है घर में कौन सी वो ड्रेस वेयर करके रखती है. कौन सी ड्रेस मम्मा पहनती है बेटा आपकी? सलवार कमीज. विच ड्रेस? सलवार कमीज. सो सलवार कमीज इज another popular attire worn by women throughout India. हमारे इंडिया में जो एक सलवार कमीज है वो another popular आपकी क्या है? एक ड्रेस है. For whom? Yes, for women. You know what, beta? As you can see this picture also, these two women are wearing ghagra and choli. So the ghagra and choli is common in which state? Yes, it's common in Gujarat, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Which state? Yes, Gujarat, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Among men, to whom? Yes, among men, the most common traditional clothes are dhoti kurta. Which one? Dhoti kurta, kurta pajama and lungi shirt. Men की जो है मोस्ट कॉमन जो ट्रेडिशनल आपकी क्लोथ्स है वो कौन कौन सी है आपकी? यस, धोती कुर्ता, kurta pajama and lungi shirt. You know, turbans of different types are worn in different states. टर्बन आपकी वेयर वॉन की जाती है, वेयर की जाती है डिफरेंट स्टेट्स में और डिफरेंट टाइप्स से. Just look at here also beta, this picture, as you can see, each man, okay, they are wearing turbans. Which they are wearing turbans and what? In different style. अलग अलग स्टाइल में इन्होंने टर्बन पहनी हुई है. देखिए अलग अलग भी उसमें. Just look at here also beta, in Kashmir. Which state? In Kashmir, the shalwar kameez and firan. Just look at here and here. shalwar kameez इन्होंने नीचे पहनी है, ऊपर से firan. Okay, in Kashmir, the salwar kameez and firan are popular. Now student, just let's come here. Our next topic is dance. India has a long tradition of dance, you know, and There are two main types of dance. How many main types of dance? There are two main types of dance: classical dance of India and folk dance of India. Which one? Classical dance of India and folk dance of India. Most of the classical dance form originated in temples. From where most of the dance form originated? Here, most of the classical dance form originated in temples. Worshipping was the main aim. What was the main aim? Yes, worshipping was the main aim. You know, although every dance form evolved from different regions, their roots are the same. The roots can be traced from the Sanskrit text. Which text? Yes, we can be traced फ्रॉम द संस्कृत टेस्ट नाट्य शास्त्र. आपका जो डांस है, आपका क्लासिकल डांस है, इसकी रूट ही क्या है? और ये जो मोस्ट क्लासिकल डांस जो आपके बिगिंस होते हैं एज फॉर्म ऑफ वर्शिप, पूजा. जिस तरह टेम्पल्स में पूजा की जाती है, प्रार्थना की जाती है, इसीलिए जो मोस्ट आपके जो क्लासिकल डांस है वो किससे स्टार्ट होते हैं कि आपकी पूजा की जा रही है. Trained dancers performed in temples. Trained dancer कहाँ mostly perform करते हैं? Temples में. You know, that time, in previous times, some even performed in courts of kings also. जो आपके kings होते थे, kings के बड़े बड़े courts होते थे, वहाँ भी आपके कुछ डांसर जो है परफॉर्म करते थे. Nowadays, yes beta, I am singing about now at present time. Today, these dances can be enjoyed by anyone. Nowadays तो ये dances कोई भी enjoy कर सकता है. Now, just the major classical form of dances. Just look at here, beta. Yes, these are the major classical forms of dances. The number one is Bharatnatyam. As you can see, a girl wearing a dress of Bharatnatyam. Here also a boy, and girl here also a boy. Which dance form? Bharatnatyam. And from which state? Tamil Nadu. Then just look at here, Kathak from Uttar Pradesh. Better look at the dress also. Girl, and again a girl and boy, a man also here. Okay. Which dance form? Classical dance form. Okay. Kathak. And from which state? Uttar Pradesh. Now, the next one is Kathakali and Mohini Attam. Which one? Kathakali and Mohini Attam from Kerala. From where? From Kerala. This one is Kuchipudi. Which one? Kuchipudi from Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. This classical dance form is Manipuri. Which one? Manipuri, and from which state? Manipur. This one beta, just look at the dress also. Then Odissi. This is Odissi dance from Odisha. Which state? From Odisha. This one is from Kshatriya. Which one? Kshatriya from Assam state. Which state? From Assam states. Next one, folk dance. Okay, which dance? Folk dance. Folk dances are performed by groups of people to express their joys. Folk dance mostly पता है क्या होता है? आप देखिए, as you can see these pictures also, yes, performed by group of people. Here also, here, this one and this one. But group of people में ही आपका folk dance perform होता है. And इसको क्या करते हैं? To express their joy. They are performed on occasions like आपकी जो folk dance है ना बेटा, वो mostly किस में perform होता है? Some occasions में, जैसे हो गया आपके marriages, birth of a child, festival or harvesting of crops. Okay, when they are performed folk dance, yes, they are performed folk dance on occasions like marriages, birth of a child, festival or harvesting of crops. Now just look at here, Bhangra. Okay, which folk dance? This picture? Yes, Bhangra. And from which state? Punjab. This one, is Garba. Which one? This one is Garba. And from which state? Gujarat. These girls are performing Garba dance and of which state? Gujarat. This one is Lavani dance. Which dance? Lavani dance. And of which state? Maharashtra. Which state? Maharashtra. Ghumar from Rajasthan. Just look at here. Ghumar from Rajasthan. Just look at here, beta. Bihu. Which dance? Bihu from Assam. Classical music was also performed in temples or courts of king. आपका जो पता है क्लासिकल म्यूजिक है वो कहाँ परफॉर्म किया जाता है? यस, क्लासिकल म्यूजिक वाज आल्सो परफॉर्म इन टेम्पल्स. ये तो आपके टेम्पल्स में, मंदिर में, या कोर्ट्स ऑफ किंग, जो पहले आपके किंग्स होते थे उनके कोर्ट्स में भी. There are two styles of classical music in India. How many styles of classical music are there in India? There are two styles. Okay, they are Hindustani. Which one? The number one is Hindustani and the second one is Carnatic. Which one? Hindustani and the second one is Carnatic. Then Hindustani music developed in North India. जो आपका North India है वहाँ कौन सा आपका म्यूजिक डेवलप्ड हुआ है? हिंदुस्तानी. एंड कर्नाटिक म्यूजिक डेवलप्ड इन साउथ इंडिया. साउथ इंडिया में आपका कौन सा म्यूजिक डेवलप हुआ है बेटा? कर्नाटिक. ओके. Now student, just let's come here. Many instruments are used in classical music. आपके जो काफ़ी इंस्ट्रूमेंट है किस में यूज होते हैं? क्लासिकल म्यूजिक में. Some of these are sitar. Just look at the picture of sitar also, beta. Then sarod. This is the picture of sarod instrument. Look at this picture also. Ustad Amjad Ali Khan. Who? Yes, Ustad Amjad Ali Khan playing the sarod instrument and which are used in classical music. This is the picture of veena. Which instrument? Yes, this is the picture of veena. Flute, already know that. Bansuri, आपने सुना है ना? Bansuri. Then the next one is mridangam. Which one? Mridangam. Look at the picture also. Then tabla. So some of these are sitar, sarod, veena, flute, mridangam and tabla. So student, for today that's it. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day ahead.